Hey guys, Typical Cycle Repair. Today we're going to be talking about how to bring this fender shine back to life. Here you can see it's shiny, here you can see it's dull. I'm going to show you what I use. It's the best that I've found. It's an auto body trick from my auto body days. Don't miss out on this, guys. Please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, share this video. Let's get started. Alright, first off, you can see how shiny this is. Alright, nice and shiny. This bike was kept outside, so the sun didn't hit this side because this is the kickstand side. So you see, nice and shiny, looking good. But when you come around here where the sun used to hit it, it looks like crap. Alright? So we're going to bring this back to life. I'm going to set the camera up here. I'm going to show you what I use. Alright guys, that should give you a good view right there. So the stuff that I'm using is made by 3M. It's called Finesse 2 finishing material. Okay? This is it right here. The Finesse number is 05928. I've used this for many years. This bottle lasted me a really long time, but it's not cheap. All right, it's not cheap at all. So what you want to do is, if you have a local body shop nearby, go in there, bring a small bottle, and get some of this stuff, because this stuff works really good. And usually, what I do with vehicles and cars is that if it has a surface like this, I'll use a wool pad, and you'll use some of this sparingly, and it'll take the stuff right up. So what I'm going to be using today, I'm going to show you guys how to do it by hand. Because if you're at home, most likely you don't have all buffing tools and everything. I'm using a soft, this is a microfiber cloth. I get these from restaurant supply places because you can get them cheaper there. You get big packs of them. But I'm going to show you here what to look for. So what I'm going to do here is just take some of this Finesse it. We'll just put a little bit on there. So all we're going to do here, okay, don't make circles. You don't pay attention to what the wax can tells you when you go buy a can of wax or something. Straight lines always, just in case you pick anything up. It makes nice, it'll make straight lines instead of circles, scratches all over your, whatever you're working on. Now what I want to show you here is that you'll know if it's clear coated or not just by looking at the rag, right? You see I'm picking up some red right there? Because this is not clear coated. It's a single stage red that they used on this. All right, so I just did that there. All right, and look at that shine coming back. All right, and you can see that's good. I'm going to keep doing this right here. Put some on the rag. A little bit of elbow grease. This is just by hand because I want you guys to be able to do this at home. Of course, you can hit it with a machine, but you got to go. You got to be careful with the machine because you see I'm taking up red. So if I go really crazy with the machine, you'll burn through it. All right, let's buff it out. And there's our shine coming back, looking a whole lot better. You can still see it dull up here and nice and shiny here. All right, it's real simple. You can hit it a couple of times just to make it, as shiny as possible. Look at that. There you go. All by hand. Alright, I left this side dull right here. This side is shiny. Now, I don't like using any of those cleaner waxes because the cleaner waxes have debris in them and it'll scratch it up. This is smooth. If you feel, you can't feel any grit in it. It's very smooth. So, that shine right there, I'm going to go over the whole bike and get the front fender. I did part of the front fender with it already. If you have a machine buffer, it'll do this in a second. This whole fender right here, no problem at all. But you can do it by hand, and I want to show you guys that. Okay, this is pretty good right here. You can cover this now with a regular wax. The thing about Finesse it is that it's made so that it doesn't seal paint in, so you can use it on fresh new paint. And that's why we use it in the auto body business, because it doesn't seal in the paint. It lets the paint breathe and cure fully. So you can use that as your last step in buffing. But guys, this is how it looks right here. Looking good. Bringing it back. I'll move it around a little bit so you can see. See, look at that. Looks good. There you go. You can do this by hand. You can do it at home. It's Finesse It, made by 3M. Finesse It 2. Go get some, pick it up, polish that bike up, guys. Hopefully you liked this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Till next time, this is Tapco Cycle Repair.